Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back. Now we'll continue to task 5. Task 5 for mini project fundamental of programming. First we open the task 5. Connect the true LEDs not MCU ESP8266 one LED to pin 6, one LED to pin D7 and one LED to pin D8. Get a function to turn on off the LEDs according to temperature reading as given in table 2. Okay, like I just do. Okay, this D6, D7, D8 like this. I just put it. Okay, when temperature is less than 25, LED 1 is pin D6 will turn on this yellow LEDs. When temperature between 25 to 30, LED D6 and D7 will on, and also more than 30, LED D6 and D7 will on. LED 3, D8, all of that is off. Okay, then we open the Arduino. Okay, it's just a same coding je, for we just add a coding to this project. Okay, first we just should to define and call. Okay, first I just do LED1 void. Okay, then we copy this declaration inside this. Okay, if temperature is less than 25, okay, digital right. This is a pin to turn on LEDs, so we just put the LED name. Height is for turn on a LED. Okay, we make a note on serial print launch on. Okay, we just copy it. It's just same. We just should to change the LED name. Make it beautiful. On. Okay, this 7 will off. So off we use low. And this is off. And also void off. Okay, D8 will turn off because we declare if temperature is less than 25. So this is low because it is off, also off, and also this. Okay, then we make the second function LED2 void. We can type and we can just copy it because it's the same, but it different. If temperature is more than equal to 25 and temperature is less than and equal to 30, like this, 25 until 30. Okay, we just copy it. Later we will change the coding. because the 6 is on, the 7 is on, and 8 is off. So we just change it. Put it on and put it on. Okay. For the third function, void LED 3 void. Okay, the same, we just copy it. We declare for the temperature. If temperature is like this, more than 30, it will, because this and it just same, so we just copy it. Okay, then we will make a function number 4, void LED void. The function is pin mode to turn on the LED. This is output. We just copy it and paste under that, like that. Okay, we just change their name, disable and delete. Oh, I'm sorry, I should put it on top of that. Okay. Okay, before we verify, we should call the function here. LED 1, LED 2, and LED 3. Okay, before that, I put my name because it's my own ideas. Okay, we can verify. While we wait until it's full, I will explain the coding. Okay, coding just same coding like task 2 until task 5. We just add this function, this coding to this because it want to display and turn on the LED 1, 2, 3 while the temperature is like in this table. Okay, as usual, we should use a hotspot for this coding and PC. Just send spot. This is my name, hotspot names, and it's my password. Okay, the coding is we name is MP. It should save in one file with user.h. Okay, this coding will display until 30,000 milliseconds. It means 30 seconds. It was their delay. Okay, done compiling, no error. We can upload it. The LED in this circuit will on while the temperature by the temperature like this table. When the temperature is less than 25, this LED will turn on. When the temperature is 25 until 30, this is on. It's the 6 and the 7. And also when temperature is more than 30, this 2 LED will on. Okay, we just wait just a minute. Compiling. Okay, uploading. While uploading, the LED is on It's just a reaction. Their coding is working. Okay, wait. 55, 61, 66. Wait until 100% now. Sorry. Okay, we on the serial monitor. Okay, like I just said, the LED will on. This is D6 and D7 on and off. Okay, on off. Because the temperature is 27.41. It's between 25 and 30. So D6 and D7 will on. D8 will off. Okay. Until 30 seconds, we'll display the next coding, the next display. Okay, on because it's between 25 and 30, and so on. Okay, when temperature is more than 30, it's same. D6 and D7 will on. Okay, the LED on like a serial monitor just display. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.